Hi, myself MJ Ashwin 12. I am presently pursuing my diploma in Mechatronics Engineering Smart Factory at NTTF Trichy. Today I am here to deliver my shop talk. My shop talk topic is steering wheel. Introduction. Steering wheels are used to control the vehicle's directions, left or right, or to maintain a state. It is used to maintain the vehicle's direction. Uh, in the steering wheel mechanism, we use the mechanism called the rack and pinion. So the rack and pinion mechanism converts the rotary motion into the linear motion. This is the pinion and this is the rack. History. It is invented in 1894, but before itself, the system has been used, but the proper appearance has been given in the 1894. It's only this is the working animation of the steering wheel. Using like this only, we are turning the wheels into left and right. This is the block diagram of the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel which we use to turn, and this is the inside mechanism, the rack and pinion mechanism, and this is the motion of the steering. The parts of the steering wheel. This is the upper mount plate. Under the upper mount plate, the suspension is given, and this is the tire, and this is the ball joint. It connects the rod and the wheel using the ball joint. We connect, and this is the control arm, and this is the rack and pinion bushings. This is the rack and pinion unit. Inside the rack and pinion unit only, the rack and pinion mechanism is fixed, and this is the bellows. Bellows are used to protect from the dirt or moistures, the mechanical parts. And this is the inner socket assembly, which is assembled inside the bellows. This is the anti-spray bar. Types of steering wheel. We have two types: power steering and electric steering. Power steering. In power steering, we use the fluid medium of hydraulics oil. In this, the hydraulics are used to make the steering system smoother and efficient. In this, we use the power steering pump, hydraulic pump, and it is directly connected to the hydraulic piston. Uh, this, uh, this, this is connected through fluid lines. This is the steering column. This is the torsion bar. Torsion bar is tension bar is a suspension component used to absorb the road's vibrations, and this is the shock absorber. This is the steering rack, and this is the pinion gear. This is the electrical steering system. In the electrical steering system, we use three different types of sensors. One is vehicle speed sensor, one is steering angle sensor, one is the torque sensor. Using these three sensors, the input is given to the ECU. ECU means electronic control system. The electronic control system process the inputs and give the output to the motor. And let us know about the airbag. Airbags are used to protect from us from any front end clash which is happen in any accidents. So the working of an airbag, it has a clash inside the front end of the car. When any obstacle or clashed inside the clashed on the clash sensor, it will release the nitrogen gas and the airbag will be expanded. The advantages of the steering wheel. It helps to control the directions of the vehicle, and it has an airbag which can protect our lives from the hazardous situations. Disadvantages. It maintains the maintenance of the steering wheel is high because in the power steering and all we use hydraulics. So we should very conscious on the hydraulics is very any leakages or good or anything we should be very conscious. So the maintenance high and the expensive parts. The parts of the steering systems are expensive. The extra features of the steering wheel. So in this we can attend the call, we can decline the call, we can increase the volume of the music or sound systems, we can minus the volume, forward the music, backward the music. There's all the external features which are given in the steering wheels. So I hope you all understood the steering wheel steering system in a good way. Thank you and have a nice day.